Hello! If you're watching this video, you've probably wondered, does life exist beyond Earth? What could it be like? Where should we look for alien beings, or at least some unique extraterrestrial creatures? Today, let's explore what science of 2025 knows and imagines about life beyond our planet. Is life beyond Earth actually possible? Science has confirmed the existence of over 5,800 exoplanets, that is, planets orbiting stars other than our Sun. Some of them are similar to Earth in size, have oceans or conditions close to ours. But the biggest breakthrough this year, traces of biomolecules have been found in the atmosphere of a distant planet, K2-18b, 124 light-years away. In March-April 2025, scientists detected chemicals that on Earth are produced only by living organisms, especially by phytoplankton. Where do astronomers look for life? Exoplanets. The main criterion is being in the so-called Goldilocks zone, at just the right distance from their star. Not too hot, not too cold, so water can be liquid. Oceans beneath ice. In our solar system, scientists are investigating moons like Europa around Jupiter and Enceladus around Saturn. Beneath thick, icy crusts, there may be whole oceans, possibly with life similar to Earth bacteria. Mars. Beneath the surface, there are pockets of liquid water. Microorganisms resilient to extreme radiation may have survived there. What could extraterrestrial life be like? Life out there could be very different from Earth life. On larger planets with stronger gravity, creatures might be flat or squat to withstand their own weight. If the atmosphere is rich in hydrogen, as on K2-18b, organisms could live entirely without oxygen, running on alternate chemical cycles. In subsurface oceans, life could exist as microorganisms, needing neither light nor oxygen, just as on Earth near underwater volcanoes. There are even wild hypotheses, plants that harvest not only light, but also energy from a star's magnetic fields, or animals based on silicon instead of carbon. Will we ever see this life? That depends on our technology. The James Webb Space Telescope is already analyzing exoplanet atmospheres, searching for biosignatures, the chemical footprints of life. Experts predict we'll see even stronger evidence in the next 1 to 2 years. Robotic missions are en route to Jupiter and Saturn's moons to test their hidden oceans for organic molecules. How would a discovery change humanity? Finding alien life would be the event of the millennium. We'd learn that life isn't unique to Earth, with all the philosophical, religious, and technological implications that would bring. In 2025, a research team from Cambridge shook the scientific world by announcing traces of potentially biological molecules on the planet K2-18b. On this distant world, 124 light-years from Earth, compounds like DMS and DDMS were found, substances produced only by marine plankton on Earth. However, the scientific community is divided. Some see this as a revolution, while others emphasize that these molecules could have formed through non-biological processes, and the discovery requires further verification and confirmation by other methods. Meanwhile, the James Webb Space Telescope mission is entering a new phase. This year, it begins detailed observations of the TRAPPIST-1 system, a group of 7 Earth-like planets orbiting a red dwarf star. These mini-Earths are ideal candidates for searching for biosignatures in their atmospheres. Scientists expect the first results of detailed spectral analyses may surprise the space community very soon. Just a month ago, the existence of the potentially habitable planet L9859F was confirmed, located only 35 light-years away. This system has been unofficially dubbed the dwarf solar system because it is rich in rocky planets, some of which have perfect size and location for possible life. Next steps include studying their atmospheres and searching for traces of water and complex organic molecules using JWST's instruments. Additionally, NASA presented an advanced model for evaluating planetary habitability, Now, when selecting interesting worlds, hundreds of parameters are considered, not only the presence of water, but also atmospheric composition and energy availability. This greatly increases the chances of discovering life on other worlds in the coming years.